Welcome to Mini Money Mastermind, and this is Mahara speaking all again. Friends, first of all, please accept my heartfelt thanks for watching and liking my videos because it motivates and inspires me to know more and more and make more videos on whatever knowledge I've gained. So friends, you must have seen your parents getting ready in the morning hours while you get ready to go to school. But why are they getting ready? Where are they going? They are going for their work to earn money, which is called income, and they need to earn income for fulfilling their daily expenses and maintaining their lifestyle. But let's take the scenario of a country now. Now a country is not an individual, so it cannot go anywhere to earn income. So how will a country earn income? Remember, we elected a government and the government's job is to earn for its country. Now the government is not a person, it is an organization. So it will earn income through various ways. We call it government money or government income for any country. So if you say country or government, both will have the same meaning. Friends, to make you understand all this, I'm going to make two parallel series. The first one is government money, in which I will tell you what the government does and how it generates money. The second one is GK of money, in which I will tell you some general terms used in your daily lives. This video is the first episode of the series Government Money. But now a question might arise in your mind that you guys have so good salaries, run successful businesses, and you have your own good bank balances. Also you have different investments in properties, jewelry, gold, etc. Then why should you care about the government? You should care about your own personal finance. Then why should we care about government money? The answer of your queries or questions will be automatically arriving at the end of this series. A government can charge taxes on what the population earns and on foreign trade. Now taxes are safe for the government's income but are unpopular among we people. Why? Because who likes to give away their own hard-earned money to somebody else? In this case, the government. Now let us talk about the types of taxes. There are two types of taxes: direct taxes and indirect taxes. Now let's talk about direct taxes first. Direct taxes is a tax that is directly paid out from an individual's or organization's earnings or income. And the most common example of direct tax is income tax. Now income tax is the tax that is paid directly to the government out of an individual's earnings in a financial year. In some countries, there is a fixed percentage of your income which you have to pay as income tax. For example, flat 30% or flat 40% of your income. But in some other countries like India, you have to pay your income tax according to different income tax slabs which are decided by the government. Next example is property tax. Now property tax is a tax that is charged on properties such as land and buildings, and it is used for the maintenance of public services. Another example is gift tax. Now gift tax is the tax which you have to pay when you give some property that you own to another person. Another example is gift tax. Now gift tax is charged on an individual who owns a certain property which he or she wants to give to another person. Other examples are entitlement tax, transfer tax, capital gains tax, etc. Now let's talk about indirect taxes. Indirect taxes are taxes which are charged on goods and services and are cut out of consumer spendings. Indirect tax is usually imposed on the manufacturer or the supplier, who then passes this tax on to the consumer. Some examples of indirect taxes are GST. Now GST's full form is Goods and services tax. It is a tax which consumers pay at the point of sale, and then it is passed from the seller to the government. Okay, and there is VAT also. Value added tax or VAT is the type of indirect tax which is levied on goods and services for the value added at every point of production and distribution. Unlike GST, VAT rate varies from state to state according to their laws. Another example is excise duty. Now, excise duty is a tax that is charged on those goods which are imported from different countries. Government earns money through different methods, but some of those methods are included in the taxation method when they are not the taxes only. Why? Because their model works like the taxing model. Okay, like fines. For example, not following the traffic rules fines, like you're not wearing the helmet or you're driving your vehicle very fast, and every fine has a different amount which is decided prior by the government. Now, another way that a government earns money like the taxation model is fees. Like say you need some stamp papers for some banking agreement or some sale of properties, then you need stamp papers. By purchasing the stamp papers, you are giving fees to the government. And another way, whenever you apply for a passport, then you have to pay some fees which are going to the government. Also, whenever you have to do the registration of you driving a new vehicle, then also you have to pay some fees to the government. Governments also earn money through the sale of government-owned assets and resources, like a government privatized its airports, its banks, etc. Then also it will earn money. Additionally, the government may also earn revenue through public services, postal services, sale of licenses like driving license, business license, etc. and permits. So guys, hope you enjoyed my video. Today we learned the first method that governments use to earn money, which is taxation. Guys, thank you, and please do not forget to like, subscribe and share my channel, and kindly click the notification bell so that you will get a notification whenever I release a new video. Guys, thank you, bye-bye, and remember, if you get tired, learn to rest, not to quit.